Human detection. If you prefer the camera to ignore cars and animals and only detect people, you can enable the human detection setting. This way, the camera will focus on recording and sending alerts only when a person comes into view. To set this up, follow these steps very carefully in this exact order. If it's not done in this order, it will not work. Open the Smart Life app. Open the Bullet Camera device. Select the three dots in the top right corner of the main screen. Select Detection Alarm Setting. Turn off both motion detection and human detection. If both are turned on, turn off human detection first, then motion detection. Then follow these steps. Turn on motion detection alarm, then turn on human detection. Finally, turn off motion detection alarm. When you turn motion detection off, the human detection menu disappears, but rest assured that it is saved and will continue to work. This concludes the video tutorial on how to enable the human detection settings for the OSI Spotlight Bullet Camera. Watch the following videos to ensure your settings are correct. This includes motion detection, human detection, activity area, alarm sensitivity, and night vision and motion activated spotlight. You can also learn how to view and save motion captured clips. You can find the direct links to these videos in the description of this video.